Is it good?
Yeah,
Okay.
you look. Yeah,
All
you
right.
look nice. But put that away
There we go.
though. You're scaring me. I don't want
Sir,
you
yes,
to
sir.
flip the script. All right.
Oh, dang! You fucked him up. Everything's ruined.
I'm sorry. I had to hit him hard because he was shooting me up, and I don't know what it was with. But he just had that little pea shooter. So I'm gonna tell you right
Oh.
now, that's all you have right
What?
now. But if you're gonna defend yourself with that little thing, that it's not gonna do too much. So try to get your hands on something more powerful.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Good. Hey. 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 Ah, Kyle. Kyle.
He's not there.
Kyle. They're killing me.
No.
Oh